and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes boxed, and as you can see, each little thing has its own little Ziploc bag, and you can build all of these. So you have this right here, this, 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 and then this is going to be all the like extra stuff that you need. It has this, which is like some tape, this is going to be like the outer parts. So just depending on which one you're actually making. But let's go ahead and see my kids build a couple of these. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.